it's only been a year and a half that we've expanded from a 2-chair to a 4-chair and now to a 6-chair practice. So that's a huge expansion already, and we've deliberately chosen to do this expansion in the same facility rather than branching out to multiple areas and making our services available to more people. And the conscious decision that was made around this was because we wanted more skilled dentists and specialists to be under one roof, using that technology and making it available to our patients as and when required. And for this, we internally also have to keep training ourselves, make sure that we educate ourselves outside of the clinic and within the clinic, block out time and maintain that consistency across all our patients. Once this formula is completely nailed and has become super consistent and can be repeated into another practices, when we would say we're ready to go ahead and open another branch. But right now, all our patients get the best of all worlds within one facility. We actually have all the possible services in dentistry that can be done without a hospital setup currently being executed by specialists with the highest level of technology that's available. So I'd say at this stage we've got everything that can be done. But yes, if something new comes up, we definitely will be adapting it into our practice. So I think one thing that we have been practicing consistently at the Dental Bond ever since its inception is documentation. Documenting everything from diagnosis to what treatment has been done to what are the findings, etc. And the only thing I've realized is that many patients in India tend to neglect their dental work simply because of the dental bills that are going to come their way, and the insurance companies are not going to cover it up. So hopefully, if this kind of a transparent approach and a documentable approach is adapted by most practices in the country, the insurance companies will open their doors to more dental plans, and people will not have to go and do cheaper jobs or not have to battle with their choices of dental work that is being done, and eventually just live a much more healthier life. And that will also reduce the number of retreatments that one has to execute in the future. So for the country, we need to make sure that insurance companies are adapting more dental plans.
So my ultimate vision for the Dental Bond, very honestly, is going to be the best patient care that the patient can receive, outcomes that are really going to serve the patient. We are aiming for a lifetime, and we do a job, very honestly, be it a root canal, be it a crown, be it an implant. We're really aiming for lifelong outcomes. That is the vision with which we work. In terms of industry, what we really wish for the field of dentistry is more practices like this, wherein a lot of digital dentistry incorporated seamlessly from start to end, so that the dentist has complete control on the entire process. So I think that would be a very good thing for the country to have.